Welcome back to digital class, and now we are looking at question 6, and this is from the topic of the word problems, and we are looking at booklet 01 for operations of whole number. Now, before we tackle question 6, I think it's very important for us to do some give you some background first. Okay, I'll give you a context first. Now let me ask you a question. Okay, now this guy, very happy guy, let me just say that he actually has maybe 180 dollar example. Okay, now let me just put this guy, a very sad guy. Now this sad guy actually have $50. So if I were to ask you what is the difference, how much does this happy guy have than this sad guy? I think most of you know, right? It's 180 minus 50. So far so good. So you get 130. Now if I ask you a different question, okay? Again, same for this happy guy and for this sad guy. Both of them have to steal the same amount of money. Now I add on another first person. I have an angry guy and I have the same angry guy here. Now this is the same person, okay? Now, if I say these two add together, the amount of money, these two add together, the amount of money, what would be the difference? Okay, again, this guy still have 180, this guy still have 50. This guy, I don't tell you what is it. I add together this amount. This guy, the same guy, add together same amount here. If I ask you what's the difference, can you tell me what's the difference? The answer would be still 130. But teacher, I don't know this guy leh. How can I know? But you notice one thing, right? Again, this guy and this guy is the same person. So whatever money that he has here, I minus, it will disappear. So for example, I tell you this guy actually have 50, that's about $70. $70. So 70, if I ask for difference, this 70 minus 70, 0. So it will still focus on this. You get the idea? But if you feel like, teacher, I cannot understand, can we try adding it together? Can, let's try. 70 plus 180 is what? 250. 70 plus 50 is what? 120. So 250 minus 120, what do you get? 130. So do you get the idea? So it's not important for me to know this individual person, okay? As long as I know the difference, right? Okay? So let's try and look at this question, okay? Now, Daryl, let me just highlight a bit. Daryl and Zhiqi had 1,800 stickers. Daryl and Noel had 800 stickers altogether. Okay, let's try to see. Daryl, I'll just put plus Zhiqi, had 1,800. Daryl plus Noel had 800. What does this tells you? Again, this guy and this guy is the same person, right? This guy and this person is the same person, right? So what I should focus more on is actually this guy, which is Zhiqi and Noel. Now, 1800 minus 800, example, 180 or 250 minus 120 actually means what? Means the total, their difference. Okay, let me just try here. 1800 minus 800 gives me 1000. And this is just similar like what I did here. This 130 actually means what? These two persons difference. So the same thing, 1000 here actually means the difference between Zhiqi and Noel. And I know Noel, Zhiqi should have more money. Why? Because 1800 at the same person. So I actually can come up with a conclusion here is Zhiqi has 1000 sticker more than Noel. You got the idea? Okay. Now let's continue the question. The question here says what? Here says that Zhiqi had 5 times as many sticker as Noel. Wow, again, the word how many times, how many times? This previous question I say 3 times. This one say 5 times. Means that if Noel have 1 unit, Zhiqi will have how many unit? 5 unit. Yes, because 5 times. Again, if Noel have 1 unit, Zhiqi have 5 unit. Now see 5 unit is 1,000 more than 1 unit. Means that 5 unit, if I minus 1 unit, is actually what? 4 unit. That means that this 4 unit actually is this 1,000. Does it make sense? Because 5 unit has 1,000 more than 1 unit ma. So the difference is 4 unit ma. So it means that 4 unit is equal to 1,000. Eh? In that case, can you tell me 1 unit is equal to what? 1,000 divided by 4, 250. Are we done? No, not yet. Here says what? Here says that how many stickers did Daryl have? Now I want to look for this pink color now. Okay. Now 1 unit is 250, correct? Means that Noel have how many? 1 unit ma, Noel have 250. So that Noel here actually have 250. So Daryl plus Noel give you 800. Now if I want to find how many did Daryl have, I just what? I just minus lor. 800 minus 250, and that is the answer, which is 550. Okay, so here will be 550 stickers. Yes, and we are done. That's it. Okay, simple. Again, this is actually something very common again in PSLE. These are the word problems that you'll be seeing in your PSLE. Okay, that's all. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.